How native doctor who said that Nnamdi Kanu will be hanged died. France and the lovers of freedom worldwide. Here is the news about the popular German-based Benin Edo State native doctor, Dr Oguname, died in Benin 4 days after returning to Nigeria from Germany, where he based. This happened last month, but he was buried almost last week. So we are bringing you the news. What happened to this man? How he has been criticizing Biafrans, Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra movement, everything concerning Biafra has been very critical to Biafrans. And what happened to him is unbelievable. After saying that Nnamdi Kanu will die by hanging, this man died almost a week after that, after saying this. It's unbelievable what is happening. It's unbelievable, Biafrans. It's unbelievable. Hello, Dr Oguname criticizing Nnamdi Kanu. He said he saw a vision of Nnamdi Kanu being hanged on 8th of August 2001, and he entered Nigeria. He traveled from Germany to Nigeria on the 14th of August. And as you can see on this poster of his, he died 4 days of entering Nigeria on the 18th of August 2021. See, only 4 days. You can see Nnamdi Kanu on 8 or 10th, between 8th and 10th of August. He entered Nigeria on 14th of August and died on 18th, almost 4 days. This is within 1 week. Everything happened within 1 week. Oh my goodness, things are happening. What he said about Nnamdi Kanu, what he said about Southeast, what he said about Biafrans, what he said about Biafran elders, Igbo elders. Let's listen to him.
I greet you with peace, and I greet you with love. This is Dr. Oguname from Africa Ancestral Spiritual Ministry, and I want to share with you the vision I saw last night. I doubt if you will take this serious. I doubt if you will even care. But please know that I'm sharing this because I care for humanity. Even if I don't agree with your vision or your mission, that does not mean I don't care for you. So this vision was so clear. And anytime my visions are clear, I don't ignore them. And for me to see it, it means I have to share it with you. If not, they will not show me. And if you have DBS, the seer, all of them, tell them a man like this said he saw something like this, they should check their oracle or whatever they know, they should go and check it. Something huge is coming to the eastern part of Nigeria. Your elders have agreed. The elites have agreed. They have concluded that enough is enough. Something huge is coming to you. Wake up. You that say you are ESN or IPOB, think of your people. Think of your brothers, your sisters, the people in your village, in your society. Anything you want to do, make sure you think of their safety first. Don't just do it because you know how to do it. Know that the innocent ones who don't know how to do what you know are more than you who believe you know what you know. So think of their safety, think of them first. When this vision came, the first person I saw was Nnamdi Kanu. First I was like, criticising Kanu. They tell me relax now, look. Then I was observing. And you know what next I saw? I know you don't like Oguname, so all these things now will be making you angry, but no problem, just listen. I saw them condemning him, using all the evidence, everything they found, condemned him. And I saw them later with a rope around his neck and they hanged him. The day they did that, invasion took place in the east. All those leaders, your governors, all those elders giving you a kind of sense of we are with you. They have all agreed. Invasion happened in the east. I saw so many. This is a vision, though, please. DSS, I'm not saying I was there or I hear the conspiracy. This is a vision, spiritual message. So please, this is not something you will say, hey, come and talk it well. No, this is a vision. If you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. Just like prophecy. This is what it is. But I'm sharing with you. If you want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, you are not forced to take it. But just listen. After they have hanged Nnamdi Kanu, invasion happened in the east. Not those type you people, IPOB has been screaming about. Those ones are nothing. The real one happened. And guess what? This is the only painful part that really touched me. A lot of innocent women and children were caught up in the crossfire. Because people they are looking for are among the civilian population. So artilleries and many things. I saw people, I'm not even IPOB, were angry and they take up arms, they want to fight. And I saw so many deaths. A lot of people died. So many. So many. Meanwhile, while this was going on, all other Nigerians were just okay. There were a few riots in Lagos. There were a few riots in other places, but the crisis was just like normal crisis. Meaning East was just the battlefield. So those who think war is coming to Nigeria, no. The way they have dropped it, they want to just use that. You see that East, so that's what they want to use as battlefield to contain everything there. The only other things that happened is when that was going on, some insurgency was also gaining ground and many things, but they did not really, I don't know why they did that, but I don't know. This is what I saw. They did not pay attention to all those ones. The East was just the focus, like the priority. They have all agreed. And after all the bloodbath and everything, so many deaths, it did not take long, like 3 months or 6 months or so. It did not take long according to the process because it was just something that ended. Like I saw it start, I saw it end. So meaning it will not be something that will take long at all. But this is what happened next. This is the area you have to pay attention to. Then I saw a man, it's an Easterner man, I don't want to call the name of a tribe. Saw an Easterner man with the cap, dressing like that traditional Easterner person. He now become the president of Nigeria. Meaning, that makes me now understand now that the agreement and the deal was, let's clean the East and then bring out a president from the East. So the agreement is for Nigeria to have an Easterner president, we have to first take care of the threats so that we can be sure, according to the vision. So what I'm explaining, not new. I'm always a big hate person. so that they can be sure that there will be no problem if they just make an external person president. So the man came out, the Eastern man became the new president. You all know him now, but no problem. He became the new president. And then the world banks, everybody, they start pumping money and rebuilding East. This is what I saw. So many of you have to wake up. You have to wake up. This is not a joke anymore. It's really serious now. To say you are ready, if you believe you are ready, ESN or IPOB can defend you, no problem. For me, you are free to do whatever you like. But I just want to share with you the vision. Because to be honest with you, I don't know why they will show it to me. But because they have shown it, meaning it's like obligation for me to share it. That's not why I'm not sharing it. So wake up. Start rethinking your actions. Make sure you have a good plan. Oh. Make sure you have a good plan. What I saw, don't be waiting good for her. Oh. I don't even pray, put me up and say, yeah, but Mona, wake up. If you are uneasy and you know so you love your people, call all the DBS in your land. Share this message with them. With the do oracle puts. Sacrifice there are things to do, make they do and put. Then on our way be elite politician, we did that is so. Mona not trade people life for power. Then you with this truth see the verse, not let your emotion, anger, make you they make decision, not till they think about tomorrow. May everybody use their akonoshe. Mona do things je. Now just the message I want to share with you this morning with this. I pray and hope and wish may you listen. But if you're not listening, we are there alive. Pray for that land where you did. Pray put me be say. Pray put tell the land say make anything blood not enter inside this ground. Get prayers to do. If you are in church, go out or anything. All those churches, Catholic, go for East. Mona come out now. Mona come out now. I don't know why only Mary never show now. Mona come out too. Because something big they combo. Very huge. This not be to put fear for any of your body. I just to let you know. And I pray may you listen. I send you peace and love. I send you peace and love. Bye-bye for now.
We said, may God forgive his sins, and I wish his family all the best.